Generation of computer. The history of computer development is often understood in the context of different generations of computer. Their miniaturization, simplicity, convenience in UGTC. Each generation of computer is an improvement over the previous one. It defines a major technical development that basically change the way the computer operate. वह टाइम पीरियड समय अवधि जिसमें कंप्यूटर की टेक्नोलॉजी का विकास हुआ है, इसी टाइम पीरियड को हम जेनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर कहते हैं, कंप्यूटर की पीढ़ी कहते हैं। कंप्यूटर की टेक्निक को विकसित होने में लगभग 5 पीढ़ियों का वक्त लग गया। पहली पीढ़ी का कंप्यूटर 1940 से 1956 तक था। सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर की अवधि टाइम 1956 से 1963 था। थर्ड जनरेशन का टाइम 1964 से 1971 था। फोर्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर का टाइम 1971 से प्रेजेंट अभी तक है। द फिफ्थ जनरेशन प्रेजेंट एंड बियॉन्ड। द फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइज में काफ़ी बड़ा था। इसमें कांच के बने वैक्यूम का प्रयोग किया जाता था। सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर में ट्रांजिस्टर का इस्तेमाल होता था। इसका साइज छोटा होता था। तीसरी पीढ़ी में कंप्यूटर के अंदर ट्रांजिस्टर के जगह इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट होता था। द फोर्थ जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर ज़्यादा रिलायबल है और ये हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज के सपोर्ट करते हैं। द फिफ्थ जनरेशन पीढ़ी में आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस तकनीक का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट, व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट कंप्यूटर जनरेशन? आंसर, generation of computer is an improvement over the previous one. Second, how many generations are supposed to be in computers? Answer, the generation of computers are typically divided into 5 distinct phases. First generation, vacuum tubes. Second generation, transistor. Third generation, integrated circuit. Fourth generation, microprocessor. Question number 1. Time of third generation of computer. Answer, 1964 to 1971. Third, in which generation was microprocessor introduced? Answer, the microprocessor was introduced in the fourth generation. Fill in the blanks with 8 words given below. First, there was massive heat production due to vacuum tube in the machine of the first generation. B. Significant reduction in size of computers of second generation was due to transistor. C. A microprocessor contains CPU, memory, and all input and output control. C. All components like input, output, controls, memory, and CPU on the single chips was named as microprocessor. Fifth, state whether true or false. A microprocessor is a chip where many transistors are mounted. True. A vacuum tubes where no air is present. True. C. Transistor were introduced in third generation computer. False. D. Artificial intelligence is an artificial memory. True. When all the components of computer are placed on board is called a microprocessor. True. 6. Some long answer question. What were the changes in a computer of second generation if compared with the computers of the first generation? There were following written changes in computer of second generation. First, the vacuum tubes were replaced with transistors. Second, the size was extremely reduced. Third, the cost of the computer was cheaper. Second, how is an IC formed? Answer. IC is a microchips that comprises thousands of electrical components made up of millions of transistors, resistance, capacitors. 3. What is use of artificial intelligence in computer? Answer. Artificial intelligence enables technical systems to perceive their environment, deals with what they perceive, solve problems, and act to achieve a specific goal.